Introducing the Advin Health Care Scope Cleaning Brush, specially designed for effective manual pre-cleaning of flexible and rigid endoscopes. It plays a crucial role in endoscope reprocessing by removing debris, organic matter, and contaminants from internal channels before disinfection. The brush features a high-quality nylon bristle head that ensures thorough cleaning without causing damage to the delicate scope surfaces. Its bristles are firmly secured to provide optimal scrubbing performance and reduce the risk of shedding inside the channel. A flexible insertion shaft allows smooth navigation through narrow and curved lumens while maintaining excellent control for complete internal coverage. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, helping technicians perform efficient and fatigue-free cleaning. Available in various lengths, diameters, and brush head styles, including single-ended and double-ended versions, to match different scope channel requirements. Color-coded options help with easy identification and correct sizing during workflow. The brushes support single-use and reusable formats, maintaining high standards of infection prevention and operational efficiency. Each brush is manufactured using medical-grade materials, ensuring durability, safety, and compatibility with commonly used cleaning agents and disinfectants. Designed to meet strict reprocessing protocols, the scope cleaning brush helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination and supports high-level disinfection outcomes. Packaged sterile or non-sterile based on user needs, ensuring easy adaptation to hospital sterilization practices. Advin Health Care, providing trusted reprocessing solutions for safer endoscopic procedures and improved patient protection.